Hi there. Imagine you earning 35 million Kenya shillings per month. That is how insane it gets. We have company bosses out there and also entrepreneurs in the country earning around that amount of money per month, 35 million Kenya shillings. I was looking at the news today and I saw an article with regards to Mr. Gideon Muriuki's earnings for last year. You know, Gideon Muriuki is the boss of Cooperative Bank of Kenya, Coop Bank. I'm pretty sure in whichever town you are in Kenya, there is a branch of Coop Bank. And in fact, Gideon Muriuki has really steered Coop Bank to success over the recent years. And with that, the CEO has a very hefty salary and also a more than crazy annual bonus, which is a reward for the bank to reward good performing employees. Like for example, his annual salary is 140.7 million Kenya shillings. And in the last 1 year, we're talking about him having raked in bonuses upward of 285 million shillings. Adding together the bonus and his salary, it takes you to about 430 million Kenya shillings. Guys, someone out there getting compensation of 430 million Kenya shillings. That is insane. And actually, that takes to an average of about 35 million Kenya shillings in earnings per month. It could be a ridiculous amount of money, but be assured this money didn't all come in a silver platter, guys. He had to work very hard for it. And that's why in this video, I want to go beyond just sharing with you these figures that Mr. Gideon Muriuki is earning, to also share with you some additional insights with regards to how you can work towards also you building better incomes in future. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. And by the way, if you are new, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. And also, I will still add it, drop a like on this video. Thanks for subscribing and liking the video. Guys, you need to do these 3 key things for you to be able to actually increase your earning propensity over the years. What do I mean? The first thing you need to do, and actually is very, very significant, is you investing in high value skills. What do I mean? There are those skills out there which the market is looking for, which the market is keen on. I'm pretty sure by now you've seen, for example, you went to school with a given person, okay? You studied the same course. Actually, qualification-wise, you are up to par. But one of you has an edge in the market. Reason being, this person has additional relevant skills, and as such, they are preferred employee compared to you in case an employer out there is looking for someone to work for them. And in current era, we're talking about someone who's very savvy, for example, with the internet, with the web, and so forth. Someone who's very savvy, for example, with data analysis, because data out there is driving all the key decisions. We're talking about someone who has very good soft skills out there. For example, negotiation, communication, you name it. In case you can't be able to harness these unique soft skills, these sought after high skills like around analytics and so forth, be sure these are going to get you into doors of key decision makers out there. And if your path is right, then be rest assured you're going to see a very increase or accent in your career in ways you didn't foresee before. So ensure you invest time. By the way, guys, it's never easy. It's going to take you time. It's going to take you a lot of effort. It's going to be blood, sweat, and tears. But if you can harness relevant skills, which are actually relevant for our time, this particular moment's problem solving, around issues around data, and also increasing access to services out there, then be rest assured that these skills are going to really assist you propel your career. And then the second thing you need to do for you to be able to increase your earning in future is that, guys, invest by all means. What do I mean? Personally, I've seen some crazy, ridiculous situations in employment opportunities out there. Actually, there are people out there who are doing exactly the same role in different companies out there, but they are paid different amounts of money. Some because of bias, others because of perceived value someone is bringing on board. If you can be able to invest also in other assets out there beyond investing in your skills, chances are you're going to be increasing your marketability. I'm talking about you looking to invest, for example, in the stock markets, right? Investing, for example, in bonds, investing, for example, in digital currencies out there. If you jump in these spaces, then you are most likely increasing your wealth. In essence, the valuable or the value people can see and also can know you have invested in if need be. And with this, it's going to also increase your social capital. And with increased social capital, then also the rest you're going to be commanding in the market, assuming you have the skills, assuming you qualify, is going to be higher compared to just someone out there who has the skills. So ensure you invest. And by the way, guys, if you didn't know, also investing teaches you some of the essential skills you need to know around, for example, how to handle money, how to be a manager, and so forth. Because investing, and rightfully so, investing in the right way is actually a management technique. Because this is going to teach you, for example, how to be patient when dealing with different scenarios out there, how to study different scenarios out there, even most importantly, when is the right time for you to take risk. And all these packaged together are going to really inform you in your career, also as you're seeking to ascend into different levels. Because we all know the higher you go, the better salary you're going to be getting and better perks. And of course, for most employees out there, they are looking at getting better perks out there, getting better pays and also bonuses out there. So ensure you begin by, first of all, investing in your skills, investing in also financial assets out there for you to be able at your different capacity to know how to manage money and even so how to grow money. Because out here, people are looking for executives out there who can assist them to grow money. And by the way, when it comes to investing, no money is little amount of money. You can begin, for example, with as little as 100 shillings, with 1,000 shillings, 10K, 50K, and be on course to increasing this over the years, right? And then the third and last thing I want to share with you is that also beyond investing in skills, investing in yourself, also guys, you need to be open to opportunities. What do I mean? Out here, people make colossal amount of wealth through timing opportunities and grabbing them as and when they appear. Guys, the opportunity, for example, to lead an organization out there, the opportunity for a name to be known in the market is going to come in different ways. To give you an example, you could be sitting there, for example, dreaming of becoming a CEO of a bank, which is a big bank, a big commercial bank, even tier 1 bank in your economy. Yes, that's a good dream. It might happen. But there could be an opportunity in front of you, for example, even for you to lead a microfinance institution. Why not jump on this opportunity? And I'm saying so because maybe this is the bus which is going to take you to that next level, because you're going to be able to prove what you can do. And then hopefully you can be able now to be trusted to lead a bigger commercial entity. And by the way, if you don't know, a good number of even tier 1 bank executives out there begin at some point. For example, investment funds out there, hedge funds, and even others, microfinance institutions, and so forth. And through these, they were able to harness their skills to a point whereby even the big institutions out there trust them and they trust their leadership. So guys, these are the 3 key metrics you need to check for you to be able to ensure you are increasing your future earning propensity. Improve your skills, do investment in yourself and also different assets out there, and most importantly, also be open to opportunities, because opportunities out here are bound to take you to different points you could be dreaming to getting towards, or even so, you can disrupt the entire market with a small opportunity which someone out there didn't look at. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.